Brinjal, diseases of brinjal, Solanum melongena, brinjal or eggplant. First is damping off. Damping off is caused by Pythium aphanidermatum or Pythium indicum of Phytophthora parasitica or Rhizoctonia solani. 4 species of fungi. Pythium aphanidermatum or Pythium indicum or Phytophthora parasitica or Rhizoctonia solani. Then Sarcospora leaf spot is caused by 2 species of fungi, Sarcospora melongeni and Sarcospora solani. Sarcospora melongeni and Sarcospora solani cause the Sarcospora leaf spot of brinjal. Alternaria leaf spot is caused by Alternaria melongeni or Alternaria solani, 2 species. Alternaria melongeni and Alternaria solani cause Alternaria leaf spot in brinjal. Verticillium wilt is caused by Verticillium dahlii. Fruit rot is caused by Phytophthora nicotiana. Bacterial wilt is caused by Pseudomonas solanacearum. Verticillium wilt is caused by Verticillium dahlii. Fruit rot is caused by Phytophthora nicotiana. And bacterial wilt is caused by Pseudomonas solanacearum. Then collar rot. Collar rot is caused by Sclerotium ralsii fungi. Symptoms: decortication, it is the main symptom. Then exposure and necrosis of underlying tissues. Exposure and necrosis, collapse of the plant. Leads to collapse of the plant. Etiology is mycelia and sclerotia. Found near the ground surface on the stem. So symptoms decortication. What is the main symptom of collar rot of brinjal? Collar rot of brinjal is caused by Sclerotium ralsii. Main symptom is decortication, exposure and necrosis of underlying tissues that leads to collapse of the plant. Etiology: 2 types of etiology are produced by collar rot fungi, that is Sclerotium ralsii. First is mycelia, second is sclerotia, found near the ground surface on the stem. Control is seed treatment with Trichoderma viride at the rate 4 gram per kg, spray mancozeb at the rate 2 gram per liter. 5th number disease is Phomopsis blight by Phomopsis vexans, cause damping off of seedlings in the nursery. Leaves turn yellow and fall down prematurely. Lesions on the petiole and stem. Blighting of plant, minute shrunken dull dusky rotten spots on the fruits. Phomopsis blight of brinjal is caused by Phomopsis vexans fungi, cause damping off of seedlings in nursery. So damping off of seedlings in nursery is caused by which type of disease in brinjal? Phomopsis blight. Leaves turn yellow and fall down prematurely. Lesions on petiole and stem. Blighting of the plants, minute shrunken dull dusky rotten spots on the fruits. Etiology: Pycnidia. Large number of pycnidia is produced, dot-like pycnidia. So what is the etiology of Phomopsis vexans? What is the etiology of Phomopsis vexans? Pycnidia, dot-like, large number of pycnidia. Seed treatment. We know that pycnidia has osteoles, osteolate pycnidia. Seed treatment with carbendazim at the rate 0.2% or thiophanate methyl at the rate 0.2%. Spray difolatum at the rate 0.2% or Captan at the rate 0.2%. Spray at the nursery stage. Spray at weekly interval or 7 days. Spray Zineb at the rate 0.2% or Bodox mixture at the rate 0.2% in field condition. Spray, what is the spraying interval? 7 days or 1 week. Then little leaf of brinjal is caused by phytoplasma. Phytoplasma is transmitted by leaf hopper, that is 2 species of leaf hopper. Cestius Phycetes and Amarasca bictula. Little leaf of brinjal is caused by phytoplasma, that is transmitted by 2 species of leaf hopper. First is Cestius Phycetes and Amarasca bictula. 2 species of leaf hopper, Cestius Phycetes and Amarasca bictula. That these 2 species are the vector of little leaf of brinjal, that is caused by phytoplasma. Symptoms in early stage: reduced size, yellow malformed leaves. Affected plants are shorter in stature, have more large number of roots than original roots number, shorter petioles and short-end internodes, more number of branches, leaves and roots than healthy plants. So in early stage, reduced size, yellow malformed leaves. Affected plants have shorter in stature, have large number of branches, leaves and roots than healthy plants, shorter petiole and short-end internodes. Buds appear in the leaf axil. Bushy appearance of the plants. Sterile plants due to deformed flower parts. No fruit formation. So plants are sterile due to deformed flower parts. No fruit formation. Buds appear in the leaf axil and bushy appearance of plants. Stunted. If fruits will be formed, then this will be hard, tough and fail to mature. Use barriers of trap crops. If fruits will be formed, then this will be hard, tough and fail to mature. Then control, use barriers of trap crops. Dipping of seedlings in 0.05% of tetracycline before transplanting. Dipping of seedlings before transplanting. Soil application of Forate at the rate 1 kg per hectare. So which type of antibiotic is used against little leaf of brinjal? That is tetracycline, as it is caused by a Phytoplasma species. Dipping of seedlings before transplanting in tetracycline and soil application of Forate. Use barriers of trap crops. Then 7th type of disease of brinjal is mosaic. Mosaic is caused by TMV or tobacco mosaic virus or potato virus Y. Transmitted by aphids. 2 species of aphids. It is transmitted by Apis gossypi and Myza sparcici. So, mosaic disease of brinjal is caused by TMV or tobacco mosaic virus or potato virus Y. 2 types of virus species are the causal organism of mosaic disease of brinjal. First is TMV or tobacco mosaic virus or potato virus Y. Transmitted by 2 species of aphids. First is Myza sparcici, second is Apis gossypi.